So for this deep conditioning treatment, I'm going to be using coconut, and I'll be using, hey, these chickens want to embarrass me, and I'll be using aloe vera for this. Now, if you don't have aloe vera at home, or you don't want to go through the stress of cutting the aloe vera, then you can get the store-bought aloe vera gel for this recipe. So the first thing I'm going to do is this latex. I want it to go off, so I'm going to stand it inside. I'm going to stand it inside the water with a bowl. I'll just stand it like this and leave it for a while. Do you understand? So that it can go down, so that the latex can go down. Yeah, we arrange this. I'll stand it somewhere that it will stand. I just want to show you, so that latex can go down, then I'll cut it off. So I'll be back to show you that. And now for this, I'm going to peel the back. This is the color of this thing. I've used it for a long time, so it's not actually dirty. So I'm going to be peeling the back. Yeah, I would peel it so that I can blend it. With peeling it, and I'll just rinse it again. Pardon the fly, I actually shot this video in a totally different location, from like a different setting from where I used to shoot my videos normally. So I'm going to rinse this. So after rinsing, I would blend it. Something else. Funny enough, I'm using a natural light to actually shoot this video, and the sun is not even out. What do you think about the video quality without the ring light? So I'll come back to show you how it is. So I'm back with this now. Remember I told you that we needed to remove the latex, and the color of the water has even changed. It's already yellowish, and then you can see the latex now. This was totally different from when before I put it inside the water standing. So the latex has gone down like to the bottom. So I'm going to cut it off. It's not showing the video. I think it's showing like this. So I'm going to, okay, let me cut it like this. Right. I'm going to just cut it off. And I'll cut this off too. I'll cut this off also. And next thing I'll do, I'll cut off, oh man. So I'm supposed to use something like a pillar to cut it off, because aloe vera plant is not even that big safe. I'll just go ahead to do it for the other side and for the other one. And then after doing that, I'll just cut off the top and then use a spoon to scrape out the gel. Now you need to be really firm with this, because it can be very slippery and and slimy. So this is it though. There are some leaf parts goes inside, but this is it. So what I'll do is I'll add it to the coconut. I'll blend them together, and I'm not blending them together. I'll show you, then I'll come and sieve it here. I'm done blending it, so I would go ahead to sieve it with a cloth sieve. Okay, that's a recap. But I rinsed it, of course. So after sieving it, it's going to be really watery. So when you want to use it, you can add herbs to it or any other thing. And I normally use it with herbs, but this time around I'm going to be trying only the coconut and aloe vera mask. Should I show you the application process, the application and the results? If you're interested in seeing that, drop a comment and then I will upload it on my YouTube shorts. The application process was very messy though, because it was watery and I did not add any other thing to it. When you are applying yours, you can decide to add herbs to it. So if you've been learning from my channel and you've been having fun with these videos, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, because I still have a whole lot of hacks and DIYs in stock and I'm going to be sharing a whole lot. I would really appreciate you all support. So note that coconut milk gets spoiled easily, so if you just make a very small batch that you can use immediately. Yeah, will you be trying this?